Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna create a quick in-depth review about these two hardware wallet for cryptos, which is Trezor Safe 5 and Trezor Model T. So let's dive into it. The Trezor Safe 5 and Trezor Model T have both top-tier hardware wallet, but they serve slightly different needs. The Safe 5 offer a sleek design with a sharp color screen touch, advanced security features, and support for a wide range of cryptocurrency at a more affordable price. It's beginner friendly and perfect for those who want strong protection without spending too much. While the Trader Model T, on the other hand, is Trezor's premium flagship. It has a larger, high-resolution touchscreen, faster processing, and a broad coin support, including some advanced cryptos and DFI features. While it comes at a higher price, it ideal for serious investors who want maximum capabilities and speed. So, if you are on a budget, go for the Safe 5. But if you want the most powerful option, the Model T is the winner. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos.